Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I did this neon gel toenail design. So to start off with, obviously you can't do much on the small toes, but I will show you how I blended the gel together. So I've just got my chosen colours on a palette here, and I'm just going to use a very small brush to apply the colours. So still using the small thin tip brush, to start blending the colours, just run it back and forth in between the two separate colours. We're then going to pop it in the lamp. We're now just going to repeat the step to make the colour opaque. So that is just how I did the small toes. I'm just going to apply the top coat to that one, and then I'll show you how to do the big toe. So to do the large toenail, we are obviously going to do the colour blend that we did on the other nails. Because this one's larger, we can just use the polish brush to lay down the colour. You're just going to use the thin tip brush to blend colours. So now we're going to move on to the detailing. I'm just going to remove the sticky layer, because if I don't, when you try and do the dots, the gel polish will spread slightly and ruin the design. So I'm going to use a large dotting tool, and we're going to create a 5-petaled flower. Moving round to the smaller end of the dotting tool and still using black gel polish, we're going to create 4 rows of dots coming out from the side of the flower. Next, using a little bit of top coat, we're going to apply a crystal into the centre point of the flower. The last thing to do is just apply top coat over the entire nail.